which is trying an MRE. Alrighty, let's open this thing up. So, a meal ready to eat. This is what all the military members use when they're out in the field, deployed, trainings, blah, blah, blah. They take these and it is one meal ready to go. Duh, that's what's in the name. And this has like 3 million calories in it. This has like 3 million calories in it, but I'm gonna try it. I went with the chili with beans. It was the least disgusting to me, so let's just open this thing up and dive right in. We have vegetable crackers. Not even sure that you can turn a vegetable into a cracker, but vegetable crackers. This is just information about the chili with beans. I have carbohydrate electrolyte beverage powder, grape flavored. I'm assuming this is Gatorade, which is grape flavored. This is the hot beverage bag. Ooh, what hot beverage should I get? This is the heater thing that you put it into. Spoon. Cheese spread. I've got cheese spread, cornbread. It's taking us to the south with this thing. Got a little packet of sugar, salt, napkin, 2 things of gum, pepperoni pizza cheese crackers, and this is the chili with beans. It is squishy as hell, and there does not seem to be any sort of solid in this. That's disgusting. Alright, let's read some directions and figure out how to warm this thing up. Operating instructions. 1. Remove MRE pouch and paperboard sleeve. Tear off top of bag. Place MRE pouch in bag with heater. So just going to tear this part off.
A few moments later.
There we go. And I'm going to put this in here. Alright, while holding MRE pouch and heater above lines on bag, pour water into bag until it reaches a level between lines. Slide heater and MRE to the bottom of bag and fold the top of bag to side opposite of the heater. Water. Okay, while that's heating up, I'm gonna try all the fixins. We're gonna start with this vegetable cracker because I'm not even sure what a vegetable cracker is. Ooh. Ooh, that smells. Okay, this is a vegetable cracker, apparently. And I'm pretty sure you're supposed to have these with the mystery cheese spread that it comes with, so let's try that. It says vegetable cracker, but here we are. Ew. It's like, God, that is some oily ass cheese. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Vegetable cracker, bad. Let's try the pepperoni pizza cheese crackers then. Oh my god, they look just like combos. So this is what they look like. They look just like cute little combos that you get at the gas station. It tastes exactly the same. It's salty as hell. sure I'm supposed to eat this cornbread with the chili, but I'm kind of curious to see it's like on its own. Because I didn't even think you could store cornbread for a long period of time. Bro, that's crazy. I've never seen cornbread. It's like soft. Oh, that's crazy too. That's crazy. I don't know the words, but that's crazy. Tastes just like the one that comes out of the box. Give me my chili. Here is my chili with beans. Here goes nothing. It's actually not that bad. Need some hot sauce, but can you just imagine me in like a cute little uniform out with the girlies in the field eating chili with beans. My vlogs would be like, come with me to train in the field with the girlies. They need to put a little Tabasco thing in here. Petition to put a little thing of Tabasco in here. I feel like Tabasco lasts forever anyways. So that was me trying an MRE. Actually wasn't as bad as I thought. Liked the chili with beans. Tastes like chili, regular chili that you would make at home. Can't really mess up chili, so that was pretty good. And I liked the pepperoni pizza cheese crackers. Kind of just tastes like combos, so can't really say much about that. And I love combos. But the vegetable cracker cheese, didn't like that. Don't know why we're turning vegetables into crackers. That's a no for me. I didn't get to try the grape flavored water packet thing because I didn't bring enough water down. But just gonna assume it tastes like grape Gatorade, and I don't like grape Gatorade, so there's that. But if you're a military wife, you should try an MRE because why not? They go out there and do whatever it is that they do. Not really sure anyways. Might as well just try to live a day in their life. One meal at a time, I guess. Alrighty, my loves. As always, I love you.